Hi everybody, it's Monty, it's Shadle Park, it's geometry, and here it is, our final shout out video for the school year. Can you believe it? We've made it through 37 weeks of school. Wow. We're almost ready for our shout outs and we're almost ready for summer vacation. Okay, we've been tossing the dice, probability. We've been flipping the cards for probability, right? Trying to figure out what's the probability of drawing the king of diamonds, right? We tossed the dice a couple weeks ago for Yahtzee so we could figure out probability. And now we're getting ready for National Donut Day. What is the probability of picking each donut? That'll be Monday in class. But before we do that, we've got to do our shout outs, our final shout outs of the year. Let's get ready for all those people that threw the dice and played the cards this last week. And first of all, we want to congratulate Logan Anderson, Genesis Camaro, Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, Zyla Holman, and Joseph Holman, Jocelyn Ives, Addie Yan, Rita Kurganova, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Dylan Munger, Catherine Nazarchuk, J.E. Stahl, Isaac Treat, Evan Upton, Christian Walters, and Damian Wickman, all from period 3. And then in period 4, let's go to Rosalina Bani, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Kyle Hayden, Rashad Hart, Tommy Krotzer, Kaylee Lewis, Janine Garcia, Lee Martinet, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Kiera Perkins, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink for all their work playing Yahtzee and dealing the cards. In period 5, Tristan Bell, Jackson Berkey, Chris Ferraro, Elijah Glancer, London Gray, Araya Howard, London Oak Pride Jennings, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Cassidy Sullivan, Leo Walters, and Gabby Warnock, and Tyler Wyant all played the dice, picked cards out of a deck, and figured out the probabilities. And then we're wrapping up on Mathia. So we really want to do some shout outs on Mathia for all those participants this week, last week, and for the entire school year. So let's get started with, in period 3, Logan Anderson, Genesis Camaro, Anthony Gomez, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Damian Wickman. In period 4, Rosalina Bani, Gabe Claypool, Elliot Collins, Kyle Hayden, Kylie Jensen, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Caden Saylor, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And then, period 5, Tristan Bell, Jackson Berkey, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Leo Walters, and Tyler Wyant. And then, this time of year, as we wind down on Mathia, there are some people that have gone over and above, and they actually completed all of Mathia. So let's have a special shout out for those folks, and they get a special certificate. Logan Anderson, Addison Yan, Jade Lipscomb, Damian Wickman, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Celeste Wink, Matthew Shuck, Gabby Warnock, and Tyler Wyant. A special shout out to each and every one of them for over the last 36 weeks, trying every week. It took a lot of work to get through all of Mathia. So from me to you, a special shout out for those Mathia achievers. Thank you very much. And then as we get ready for summer, we would be amiss if we didn't say happy birthday to all those folks in June and July. So, birthdays coming up. June 14th, Carter Crum. June 25th, Joseph Holman. June 27th, Presley Hunter. On July 3rd, Jocelyn Ives. July 4th, Kylie Jensen. July 7th, Jade Lipscomb. July 8th, Malachi Rindy. July 10th, Jonah Kern. July 12th, Celeste Wink. On July 13th, Elliot Collins. July 14th, Desiree Ballou. July 17th, Molly Pickard. And July 28th, Delilah Rivera. Happy birthday to each and every one of you over the summer. Wow, that was a lot of shout outs for our last shout out of the year, huh? Okay, now we got 2 weeks of school left, and what are we going to be working on? Okay, well, the first thing we got to do is celebrate National Donut Day. So on Monday when we come to class, every class will have a box of donuts. But before we reach in, we've got to be able to predict what is the probability of grabbing a maple bar, a chocolate bar, a powdered sugar round, right? We've got to put some numbers to it. All right. And then we're going to finish playing cards. We've got to pick some potato chips. Compound probabilities. What the heck is that? We're going to learn that this week. Got to play some more dice. All of which really helps us finish the year out with probability, putting all these numbers to real world scenarios. So have a great weekend. The weather's finally warming up. Only 2 weeks of school left. We got to turn our computers in shortly. And Monday being National Donut Day. We'll see you in the classroom. Bye-bye.